Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can tell, I sound a little funny. I'm getting over being sick. I feel a lot better. I just sound like this. But I feel good enough to film for you guys, and I have a really fun video for you today. So I went to TJ Maxx, per usual. I'm always there, you guys know this. And I found this. This is the Hot Tools Professional. It says Cool Tools Conditioning Steam Setter. It says it's a warm moisturizing steam that forms curls that last 4 days. And this really intrigued me. You guys know that I use these rollers, the Velcro rollers, literally every time I do my hair. It's just how I love volume, I love body. Right now my hair, my layers are starting to grow. My hair is actually looking pretty long, so I'm pretty excited about that. But in between haircuts, I've noticed the longer I go, the flatter my hair is and the harder it is for me to get that volume and body that I like. So I was actually going to pick up hot rollers that I saw at TJ Maxx. They were like $39 for a nice set. I don't know if you guys have ever seen them at Ulta or anything like that. They're usually like almost $100. I ain't about that life. This was $14.99. It says regular $36, so I was like, why not? It's supposed to be better for your hair. It says hair is never exposed to damaging dry heat, and it has an argan oil conditioning steam. So this little set, it comes with this little bucket guy. You're supposed to, there's a little line in here that you fill up with water to, which I've already done, so you know it's in there. And then it comes with this guy that you put in. Oh, it's leaking. You put in, you plug in, it gets hot, and then, well, actually before you plug it in, you're supposed to put, it comes with this argan oil. I don't know if I can put any argan oil in here or I have to specifically buy this one. I feel like that's a gimmick. I think I could put any argan oil in there, but might as well use this one today since it came with it. It says to put, I don't know how many drops to put in here. It comes with instructions, as you see here. I think I read it earlier. I don't see where I saw it. I believe it said like 6 to 10 drops. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm just making that up, but that's what I'm going to put in, okay? And then also, this little booklet comes with different ways to put rollers in to get different styles that you want. It comes with 14 of these rollers. These aren't as big as my big pink Velcro rollers, but I feel like they are big enough to get the look that I want to. And I'm really intrigued by this because it says you only have to leave this in your hair for a very short period of time. So you guys know I leave my rollers in my hair the entire time I do my makeup, get distracted, do things around the house, so they're in for at least an hour. If I could put these in 5 minutes, take them out, and I get that, I'm all about it. So let's test this on camera for you guys. I'm pretty excited. My hair is clean. I just blow dried it, kind of half-assed blow dried it with a round brush. And so yeah, let's get started. Let's do this. So I'm going to not do that. Okay, I'm gonna take the top off that, and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 37. I think that's enough. And I have a little plug here. So I'm going to plug it in as you see there. Okay, so it's plugged in now. All of the rollers have this little hole on the bottom, and you're supposed to put it on top of the little stick and let it sit there. So yeah, okay, so it's on. It's getting a little warm right now. Kind of nervous. I did plug it in. My sister also bought this because she was pretty excited about it too. So I did put some rollers in her hair, and the only thing I noticed real quick that it gets pretty hot. It's steam. So, you know, be careful with that, guys. This is definitely not something for kids. But I'm going to, let's see here. I don't want ringlets per se, you know. I want this. Oh, I look like this girl right here. So I'm going to put the rollers in the way it tells me to from that picture. So I'm going to part my hair like this, like I normally do for the front part. Okay, and then I'm going to stick that on the little port and let it heat up. I can definitely hear it, so I know it's on, I know it's working. Okay, the roller's starting to get warm. Really warm. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off, take the cap off. It is hot, so be careful, guys. And I'm just going to roll it up as such. So that rolled up pretty easily. I don't know about this cap, but I guess I don't have a choice. And there you go. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Fell forward, but you know, it's okay. Another one. Gonna put another roller on the little steamer. Let it sit for a second. This one got hotter faster, so that's nice. Okay. And put the little cap on. Okay. And I should probably just have them steaming while I'm putting the next roller in, kind of like a little assembly line. But if you're not comfortable with that, don't do it. Just don't burn yourself. It's hot, but it's not like burn hot, you know? I'm so scared that when I look back at this footage that I'm gonna sound horrible. I don't know. Okay. So next one. And I'm not wrapping it too tight around because I don't want ringlets, like I said. So it's wrapped pretty loosely around here, and as you can see, it's pretty loose there. So now that I have that, I'm going to start on the sides. And pretty much do it the same way I would do my hair normally with the Velcro rollers. Okay, so I have all the rollers in pretty sloppily, I might add. It's just hard to, I don't know. In the picture, look how tight this girl has them on. They're on so tight on her head. And as you can see, this is just not the case for me right now. But I've had them on for a little bit. So I think I'm actually going to start taking them off because I'm afraid, like I said, that I'm going to have ringlets and will look like Shirley Temple. So let's just start. I'm going to start from the first all the way to the end. So I'm going to take the cap off and roll it down. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. I think I'm going to have a ringlet. You guys, I literally had this in for maybe 5 minutes. Okay. Next. Oh my goodness. Did I get them all? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm in shock right now. My dogs are barking, as usual. So this took me like, I don't even know, not even 15 minutes. And my hair looks like I had it in rollers for an hour and I used a curling iron. And as you guys saw right now, I didn't. I mean, yeah, there's some parts that I'm probably gonna go over with maybe a straightener, like the ones close to my head right here. And I think that's just from me, like not me being sloppy and not the way I put the little cap on these. But this is awesome. Look at this. And my hair doesn't smell burnt. It smells a little bit like the argan, which I'm okay with because it's good for my hair. And yeah. Now, the instructions do say don't run a brush through your hair, so I don't know if that means that if I ran a brush through my hair that I would just have like an afro type of thing, like it looked like it was Florida weather and humid. But I'm super happy with the way this looks. This looks awesome. And like I said, I think maybe the only downfall of this is that this did get really hot, so I had to be careful with the way that I picked it up. Don't pick it up from where the little hole is, because steam comes out of it and it gets a little hot. But they heat it up really fast. There's no on or off switch on this, so when you plug it in, it does start getting hot right away. I'm literally in shock right now. Look at this. And if it's better for my hair, that's even better. This is awesome. I can't breathe, but this is awesome. Alright guys, so in case you're wondering, want to find some cool things for an affordable price, this hot tools thing from TJ Maxx, $14.99. I'm super into this. Maybe I'll try to do it some of the other ways. Like I said, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways to put the rollers on to get different looks. But this is legit. Alright, so I actually have errands and I have things to do today, but now I'm done early because this took way less time than I thought it was. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Hold up.